That, my friends, is a sound of progress. We're nearly there. Oh, by popular request, all of you told us we should fix this FCIH. Well, actually, practically every single time we tell people we own this, or every single time they see it, they ask us, can you put in the next system test? Can you show us a video of it working? Does it work? Does the strobe work?
Well,
can you
here's
please
a video of
fix
it almost working.
Yeah. And a video of us fixing it. And there's Happy Wappy. Happy says hi. Yeah, good doggy. You're so cute.
Sounds like it's dying.
Nobody happy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi. He wants something.
Yeah, we need to do it now. The one that is the 450, the original 450.
This is what the regular one sounds like.
Wow.
That's loud.
Oh.
The battery.